One file for the whole event. One file for the whole event. Budget, guest list, tasks, and the run of show, all in one place. Step 1. Type your event date into the yellow cell. The countdown starts straight away, and the 4 cards below follow it. Step 2. The budget. 1 line per cost. What you planned, and what you actually spent. Variance calculates itself. Red means you went over. There are no formulas to write. The red card in the middle counts the lines that blew their budget. That is the number to look at first. Step 3. Guests. Name, organization, then pick their RSVP. On the day, tick people in as they arrive. The awaiting reply card tells you who still needs a phone call before you can lock the head count. Step 4. Hand out the work. Task, owner, due date, and status. The state column compares the due date with today. Red for overdue, amber for due soon, green when it is done. Step 5. The run of show. You only enter a start time and how long each item lasts. Start and end times chain themselves. Stretch one item and everything after it shifts. Change the start time, and the whole day moves with it. Nothing to recalculate. Step 6. 3 tabs for reading the data back. First, the guest filter. The 3 yellow cells sit right above the column they filter, so there is nothing to guess. Now it shows only the Acme Corp guests still to come through the desk. A list you can read out at the door. This tab groups spend by category. Budget, actual, and red for anything over. The sentence at the top writes itself. Biggest category, and what share it takes. The last tab answers who is carrying what and who is running late. Whoever has the most overdue work sorts to the top. You know who to ask tomorrow. And the dashboard pulls it together. Countdown, attendance funnel, task progress, spend mix. The funnel shows how many you invited, how many confirmed, and how many actually came. The band in the middle changes color and tells you what to deal with first. Scan the code for more templates.